Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new score in Musescore 4. Okay, without any introduction, let's dive into the topic. Let's open the app. At first, when you open the app, you'll end up with a screen like this, which shows you a few toolbars. Let's not talk about them right now. You see an option here that says New Score. If you click on it, a window will pop up. In this window, first you need to choose your instruments. You have two ways. If you want to manually choose your instruments one by one, well, in this tab you can choose whatever instrument you want. But you can also choose from the built-in templates that the app has, which are a few templates that could be handy, but normally I choose my instruments because I want to add or remove an instrument based on what I really want. So let's add some instruments right now. Let's say I want a flute. To add an instrument, you need to click on it, then click on the arrow here to move the instrument to the section on the right. If any instrument is written in here, it means that it is included in your piece. Let's say I need a clarinet. You can just transfer between sections. For example, I need a guitar. Okay, here. Then I want, for example, a percussion. Like a drum kit. So when I chose my instrument, I will press next. So here, first you have your key signature. You need to select your key signature. Keep in mind that you can also edit these after you created your score. So if the key signature of your score is specified, so you can just choose your key signature. For example, I want to choose A major. Then you need to choose your time signature. This is also editable later. So for example, I need a 3/4. So the tempo here is also editable later, but you can just choose it right here. For example, I want a 60 per minute beat on this. Okay. You can pre-select the number of your measures, but for this one, you can also just change it later. But this one is a little bit tricky. If you want to have a pickup measure, you need to select it right here and select your beat. So keep in mind, if you want to have a pickup measure, just select it right here. So this is what I want. You can write down your title, your composer name, subtitle, lyricist, and your copyright here, but these all are also changeable later. So let's click done. Here, as I said, you can just change your title right here. For example, I want to say example. So also the subtitle, the composer, and as I told you, you can just change your tempo here too. If you didn't change your tempo on the create a score page, this wouldn't show up. Okay? Actually, that wouldn't be any problem either, because you can just select your tempo from the toolbar here. You can add your tempo. So now I have my score created. I might as well start to input my notes into the piece. So as I said before, some things are editable, like your key signature, your time signature. For example, for a key signature, you can go from here and just click and drag your preferred key signature and just drop it right here, and your key signature is changed. Or for your time signature, you can just go here and do the same thing. That's just easy as it is. You're also able to modify another thing, which is your instruments. You go to the instruments tab here, and you can see your current instruments. You can just click on one and delete it, and the whole instrument is deleted. Or you can add another one, for example, something like this. Okay. I forgot one more thing. You remember this page is just the same as the one you saw on the Musescore window. So if you want to change your instrument's order, you can just click on your instrument, and with these arrows you can just change its order. For example, I want classical guitar to go completely underneath other instruments, so I click this arrow. Or I want the soprano to go higher than anything else, so I click on this arrow till it's the higher one here. So actually it has some templates for your orders too, so you can just select from them, and yeah, that's it. And I think it's enough for today. So if you have any questions, please write in the comments. I would answer for sure. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.